That's the idea, isn't it? It shuts itself off when it pushes up against that. It smelled like a motor or something burning already. You smell it?
I do.
Or if it's just dirty.
But
or-
you should just do that with scissors, honey. Where's
I
our
have it.
scissors?
Oh,
Do
they're
ours.
not there. I don't know.
There should be some in there.
That knife should cut anything. He
Yeah.
got it. He already got
Okay.
it.
Okay, now Travis, what you did is you put it through that little hole in the top, and you brought it out here,
Put it on that.
put it on
flip
that,
over.
flipped it over, and now we got to flip this back.
Yeah, when you do that, all that does is makes it so the needle and stuff don't
So you
move.
flipped it
just-
over
Right.
and you hit the pedal to make it go.
Yes, honey. Yeah, I got that.
All
Yeah.
right. That's
Yeah,
fine.
no, I need to watch him because I didn't have any problem after he showed me last time. Stacey, but I haven't done it for 5 years.
Yeah.
Odd person ought to get that out and just use it all the time.
If you want to.
I'll record
Man,
it.
I have to figure it out myself every time I do it.
Well, the threading's the part that gets me now. That goes in the bobbin down there, and it goes up through something. It picks it up itself. The needle picks it up, Travis.
Well, yeah, but you got to run it through the thing here.
Yeah, let me see it through that gray thing.
This
Yeah.
little hook right here.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna go under that,
Oh.
Okay,
and
gotcha.
then lay it behind there.
Close it.
Oh.
Close it.
Well, the needle's
Can't
not
remember which
threaded yet. We
direction
gotta
it
do
turns.
we gotta do the needle first, though, don't we?
It's this one, I believe. I don't think so. Maybe. Yeah. it'll
I
have
thought
to
we
be,
did. We had to thread it first. Honey, it's been a long time. See, this is the part, Kara, that I have a hard time with. Travis,
Well-
let me see what you're doing.
It goes up under from the bottom,
Uh-huh.
and then around
Around
like
and on
that.
top. Up under from the bottom, around and on top.
And then this right here is a little bit weird. I always just go clockwise. I don't know if there's one direction it's supposed to go or not.
I didn't think it was supposed to go around like that, period, but I don't know. I guess you're right. You know what
Well,
you're
yeah,
doing.
it's got to go. It's got to go through this thing to go down.
Okay, wait a second. Hold up now.
See if it goes better this way. It just don't feel right.
I didn't think it did either, but I
But
wasn't
it's
saying
got
it.
to go. It's got to go under that thing. That's the tensioner right there.
Okay. And then down, yeah.
It's hard to keep it on there like that.
No, most of the machine sewing it didn't, but I don't know how to do
As
that.
long as
Just
there's
getting
tension
it-
on it, it
yeah.
won't come back out.
It's just getting it set up.
That's why I'm recording it, so we can watch it later.
Still don't feel right.
You,
But
you did it around there. I don't think that is right, Travis.
well, as long as it's under the tensioner, it should be okay.
That's one break. See, it's not, no.
Well, that feels all right. And you can loosen it here.
You wrapped it around that.
Do what?
You wrapped it around that.
Yeah.
I always do.
Is that your boss?
Oh, it's Jacob. Hello. Well, all right.
What did he say? He came to work.
He was supposed to come here. But he's saying he can't find his keys. It's not-
That has to go through that, does it not?
Yeah, it will.
I have a perfect view, by the way. If anybody wants one.
It's clear as weird.
On the other side of it goes on, yeah. now. See if it'll.
It's pretty complicated.
If you did it, it'd just be like second nature.
It brought it up. I
If you
think.
got used to it.
You gotta do your, put your hand on, do that nice, just go, bring it back, yeah.
This is a bad idea.
Why?
Should have just bought the eye costume.
That ain't right, is it?
I don't think it came out.